Okay, so I finished recording and uploading the first video, and I realized that I had paused on this example, and then when I came back, I had accidentally messed up and done this example, so I apologize. I'm going back to example 4 to complete that because, like I said, I messed up. So I am going to start by giving our or putting our numbers in order. So I've got 1, 5, 8. And then 10, 12, oh no, 10, 11, 12. Looks like we've got 14, 17, 19. 20, 22, and 23. So my 5 main points I need are the minimum, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the maximum. The maximum and minimum are probably the easiest to identify because I just look for what's the biggest number, that's 23. What's the smallest number, that's 1. So there's those two values. To find the median, I'm going to count in from the outside to find the middle value. So I'm going to count in, there's 1, 2, 3, go a few more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I have a problem because there's no number here in the direct middle. So think back to first semester when we did this. What we have to do is we have to take the two numbers that are in the middle and we have to find the average. We did this actually in our bell ringer too, where we have to do 12 plus 14 divided by 2. And when we do 12 plus 14, we get 26 divided by 2 is 13. So our median is going to be 13. And this happens anytime there's an even number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now we need our lower quartile. So for the lower quartile, remember on a problem like this one, where we had a median or a number smack dab in the middle, in this case 55, we ignored it and we just looked at these numbers 40 to 51. But now, because there wasn't an exact median, we had to find the average of those. I'm going to draw a line. And I'm going to find the average of all the numbers that come before it, or sorry, the median of the numbers that come before it, and the median of the numbers that come after it. So finding the median of this first set of data, I'm looking and I count in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and again, I don't have a number smack dab in the middle. So I have to find the median of 8 and 10. Well, if I do 8 plus 10, divide by 2, I get 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then if I do this side over here, I would get 19 plus 20 over 2 is 19.5. So my lower quartile is going to be 9. My upper quartile, 19.5. Now I'm going to put these points on the graph. So I've got my minimum of 1. I've got my maximum of 23. I've got my median of 13. Let's see. Lower quartile of 9. Upper quartile of 19.5. And now I just have to connect those points with a box. So I connect the 3 middle points with a box. Put a line through the middle point. And then I draw a point from this point here at the end of the box to the maximum point. And I draw a whisker from the least back up to the box. So I've got my box and I've got my whiskers. All right, now head on over to Google Classroom and check out your assignment for today.